Beach Bums, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, I am going to show you how to make a 3D beach box with one of your favorite beach vacation photos. And we're putting it all together with E6000 Plus and E6000 spray adhesive. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a beach box. Make sure you have a solid seal around the entire frame before you put it together, or the sand might seep out. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.